What is going on, everybody? Welcome back. MTG here with another episode. If you're new to the channel, hi there. Today I have right here the Pixel 6 Pro in Sorta. Sunny, thank you so much Google and Team Pixel for sending this device out for the channel. It's been a goal of mine for 2021 to be a part of Team Pixel, and I am officially, and I've been working with Team Pixel for the past couple months, so thank you so much for sending this out to review. Now I'll be unboxing this and showing you guys the hardware of the device, and that's pretty much going to be it. And then starting next week, you'll be seeing more content as I continue to rigorously use this device. But before I do begin, I'd really appreciate it if you can give this video a thumbs up and turn on the bell notifications, as it does help out the YouTube algorithm and will help push my content out to more people. Anyway, let's get right into the unboxing. All right, so let's pull the tabs. There we go. Nothing too fancy there. It doesn't really make too much of a noise. But looking at the box though, if you whatever color you pick up for the Pixel 6 Pro, I don't know how it is with the Pixel 6, but with the Sorta Sunny, for example, the sides are accented in like a super light yellow, kind of like a gold accent. And I'm actually really excited to check out this color. But here we go. And also you can tell it's a really thin box. So we can probably guess that there's no power adapter, but wow. Wow, there we go. There is Pixel 6 Pro and Sorta Sunny. That is clean. That is a clean device. All right, so let's put this aside. And we get a USB-C to USB-C cable. We get a USB-C to USB-A adapter, which comes in super clutch when you're transferring files or switching from a new phone to, or an old phone to a new phone, and just some paperwork from Google, and that's really it, as well as your SIM ejector tool. And there is no power adapter, so just do keep that in mind when you're picking up a new phone, and that's how it is with pretty much old devices nowadays. So we're putting this aside. I know Samsung does that too, and obviously Apple does that with their iPhones. Now let's just listen to this. Let's just listen to how amazing and beautiful this is. There we go. So there is the Pixel 6 Pro. There's just how it looks. It's got a dual accented color, and it's got 3 camera lenses, and we're going to definitely dive into the cameras and talk about them on the channel. So be sure to subscribe for more videos on that. But looking at this device, you can see how everything else is super plain there. It's like super minimalistic. It's just got the Google G logo right smack in the middle. And for Google to kind of differentiate themselves and say, hey, this is a Google Pixel 6 or 6 Pro, the entire camera bar is facing across instead of in this side like we see on most smartphones nowadays. We're also getting a glass back, which I really do like. And just based on first impressions, you can't really tell too much of the fingerprints. The side accents there, this is pretty much, it's not a matte finish, so you can tell with the fingerprints if you do kind of, go ahead and, kind of rub your finger across from it. But right up here, so with the Pixel 6 Pros, right up here, this is for the 5G, for the bandwidth for the millimeter wave. And otherwise, it's looking like a super solid device. We're getting the volume buttons as well as the power buttons on the right-hand side. We're getting USB-C, some speakers right up here. I'm not turning on this display, but we got a front-facing camera, and it's a 6.7 inch, just for technical specifications, a 6.7 inch Quad HD 120 hertz AMOLED display. It's LTPO, so it refreshes from 10 hertz up to 120 hertz, and that will definitely help out with battery life. And when it comes to battery life, the capacity on this is 5,003 milliamp hours, and it's a very light device. Let me just put it that way. When you first pick it up, it's not as heavy as something like the iPhone, but it really does stand out. Like, it shows I like this design. Let me just put it that way. I like how it stands out from the crowd. I'm definitely going to be diving into a bunch of videos, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel. Anyway, though, that about wraps up this video. I hope you guys did enjoy this quick unboxing of the Google Pixel 6 Pro in Sorta Sunny. If you did, like I said, be sure to Superman that subscribe button, comment down below, and best of all, share this video because it really does help out the channel a lot, and you guys make my dream become a reality. Anyway, that's been it from me, and I'll catch you guys in the next episode.
Anyway, everybody, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, be sure to Superman that like button, comment down below, because with the more interactions we get on this video, not only helps the video and the channel, but also pushes the video out to more viewers. And best of all, Superman that subscribe button. Until next time, everybody, and until next video, this is MTG.